I'd like to think that's a machine.
Yeah, same. I'd like to think that that was normal.
What the fuck is going on? We're here with Brooke, and I'm about to do something I've been wanting to do for a while. St. John's Orphanage in Goulburn, guys. There's houses there, so shush. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit. This is actually...
How do we get in? Oh, through there.
Right there. Holy fuck. Guys, this is actually fucking happening. My heart is racing a million miles an hour. What the fuck? Like... What the fuck? Holy shit. This place has been fucking burnt. Now look out here.
House parties in here and shit. Like people have obviously come here to stuff up and what the fuck?
Location. My heart's racing a million miles an hour. Holy shit.
I'm actually like shaking.
I'm shaking really bad.
I'm fucking scared and it's daytime. And look, how is that not creepy? Like the mirror is not fucking broken.
What the hell?
Like I betcha there's just fucking...
Guys, like, who the fuck just puts two random chairs? Wait. Oh, I thought I was hearing voices. So like this orphanage burnt down years and years and years ago. So like out here is like another part of it.
Yeah.
Let's just walk this way. Guys, I just heard fucking footsteps in there. It like sounded like someone trod on glass. What the fuck? Guys, read this. So, I was also a stupid kid. I used to hide spiders in Sister Mary's food. When I was 18, I got moved by the exercise bike moved. 1st of October 2018. We're in 2019 in April.
And that's the exercise bike.
That's the exercise bike right there. What the fuck? The fuck? It's literally falling apart.
It literally is.
Holy shit. What the hell?
Whoa.
It's literally falling apart. Okay, that's creepy as hell. Yep, all empty. You hear something?
No. I don't know if that's just my head playing games or whether I thought I saw something. That's what I saw.
Where did you think you saw something?
Right there. Just went straight past the door, but it was like a white thing. Like it was like a fog shadow thing.
Okay.
I don't know. So that's why I saw.
Okay.
But I don't know if that's just my head playing tricks on me, like
Yeah.
because we're here, or but I can't feel anything.
Holy shit.
Wow. That's fucking bird. What?
Something just fucking moved over there.
You saw it too? Was it white?
I heard something just fucking move over there. It sounded like exactly what I heard before. There's like old baths and shit.
Bathrooms with, like, obviously sinks, clearly, because... Oh my god.
Why do these look nice?
I know.
I'd like to think that's a machine.
Yeah, same. I'd like to think that that was not normal. Or like the sound of wind, maybe?
I don't want to know if it wasn't. This doesn't feel right here.
No.
Here doesn't feel right.
If we are wanted, let us know.
I'm gonna replay my fucking footage when I get home because I just saw a fucking shadow.
You didn't.
I
Did you?
Something doesn't feel right about this room.
No, there's something, I think something's happened in this room a few years ago.
I don't want to mention cops rocking up or anything because I'll jinx myself.
Yeah, don't know. Let's just not have that happen.
Let's not. Oh, there's a sign that says, Tanya plus something are all ganger sluts with Hep C.
Nice.
Nice. Stay classy, Goulburn. Stay classy. Are we done? I think so.
I'm ready to go.
I'm ready to go. Guys, that was one hell of an experience. Now, YouTube, tell me that this does not look like one messed up place. Isn't that right, Brooke?